Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Brett Barris. In this next video, we'll be setting up our certification authority. So let's go to CA01. We're going to right click here, terminal admin. Make sure you change the username here to your username. Right click copy, paste anyway, and give that a few moments, and we'll wait for the login screen. Since we set up our gateway in the previous video, you can see our network icon for the internet is on. We're good there. Let's go to DC01. And what we can do is, since we didn't, we can open it up from the terminal. And what we're going to do is we're going to add CA01 as the certificate authority, the description. We're going to add it to the CM servers, CA servers, and member servers groups. Okay. Paste that. There we go. And that way, it gets all of those policies that we set up for CA servers and member servers. All right. So let's go down to CA01, Control-Alt-Insert, Other User, log in with our domain credentials, or first.last.adm. There we go. Should see our desktop icons since some of the group policies have already pulled down. Right click, run. We're going to do a timeout, T-minus 60 seconds, and we'll come back when that's ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Okay. So we're going to click on Start, right-click Terminal Admin, pin to Taskbar, open our terminal, drop down, Settings, set our profiles to run as administrator, as we've done in the previous videos. Go down here, open our JSON file, Notepad just once. We're going to copy our multi-line paste warning, false, 1, 2, 3, 4, Control V to paste, file save, close Notepad, close settings, and close terminal. And now we're going to open the terminal from the taskbar. We're going to do a ipconfig register DNS and a group policy update force. And once that's done, then we're going to set our 2 drives. So it will set the C drive with a recovery password protector stored in Active Directory. Same thing with our D drive now. Okay, and then it will set auto unlock on that D drive as well. So there we go. Give that a moment. And there's the D drive, 100%. Wait 60 seconds and we'll be ready to open it up. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Let's ping YouTube. Make sure we're all good. All right, there it is. We'll set our time source to DC01. There we go. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install Active Directory certificate services. Okay. And of course, the best practice analyzer tells us that the CA database and the log file should not be stored on the system drive. And that's why we created that secondary drive with the certdb and logs folder. Okay. So we'll do that. Then we'll start this cert service and exit. So copy from the end of 121 up to 113, paste, give that a moment, and I'll be back when that's ready. Okay, and now we click exit. Good. Double click this PC. We've already seen that we have our locks on our drives. So let's go here to certdb, click continue. You should see our 2 items there. And then our log folder, you should see 6 items in here. There we go. And close File Explorer. All right. Now we're going to click Start and type Certification Authority. I'm going to click Pin to start. And then I'm going to click the desktop. I'm going to go to DC02. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a sync all and then AEPD and then a sync all. I just want to make sure everything is synced because remember, our certificates are stored in Active Directory. So we want to make sure everything is synced up. There we go. Terminated with no errors, terminated with no errors. We're good there. Let's go up here, do the same thing. We're clearing a few logs here, and then we'll sync all. So there we go. Sync all, no errors, no errors. We're good there. CA01. I'm going to click Start and then Certification Authority. We're going to expand CM CA01. I'm going to right-click on Certificate Templates, click Manage, and then we'll maximize this window. Okay. I'm going to right-click on Web Server. I'm going to duplicate that template. And this is going to be our IIS certificate. So go to the General tab. We're going to copy this name, Control-V to paste. Okay. Then we'll go to the Security tab. Okay. I'm going to click my name and remove it. Okay. Then add CM servers, check names, good. And then in CM servers, we want read and enroll. On the domain admins, remove the enroll, and enterprise admins, remove enroll. Then click OK. Okay. We're going to do another one. Web server, right click, duplicate template. This one's going to be our SSRS or reporting services. So general, same thing, post there. We'll go to request handling. We're going to allow the private key to be exported. Okay. We're going to go to security, click our name, remove, add CM servers, check names. Okay. Click on CM servers and we'll make read, enroll, and auto enroll. Domain admins, remove the enroll, and enterprise admins, remove enroll. Click OK. We're going to do one more web server, duplicate. Okay. And this one is going to be for Windows admin tool or Windows admin center. So certification authority, we're going to put Windows Server 2016 because it's a newer cert, and cert recipient Windows 10 or Windows Server 16. We're good there. Okay. Go to General. We're going to call this Windows Admin Center. Paste that there. Request handling. Allow the private key to be exported. Okay. Security. Click Authenticated Users. Read, write, and enroll. Domain admins. We're going to do read, write, and enroll. Enterprise admins, read, write, and enroll. Our ADM account, we can do read, write, and enroll. Add admin clients, read, enroll, and auto enroll. And then add member servers. Same thing, read, enroll, and auto enroll. Click OK. And now we're going to do two workstation ones, the DP or distribution point and the client certificate. So we'll go to workstation, right click, duplicate template. We'll call this one our CMDP or distribution point. Request handling, allow private key to be exported. Security, let's remove our account, add CM servers, check names, OK. Read and enroll for our CM servers. Domain computers, we're going to remove, and domain admins will remove the enroll. Enterprise admins, remove enroll, and click OK. And one more workstation authentication. So duplicate template. We're going to create our client certificate. General, paste that there. Security, we're going to go to our ADM account, remove, add CM servers, check names. Okay, that should have read and enroll. Domain computers should have read, enroll, and auto enroll. Domain admins, again, remove enroll. Enterprise admins, remove enroll. Okay, close this window, close cert service, and then open up our terminal. We're going to restart the service just to make sure everything is good. Exit. I'm going to start, reopen our certification authority, expand here, click, then right click certificate templates, new certificate template to issue. We're going to click on CM client, then control click on all of those and scroll down to the bottom and control Windows Admin Center. Click OK and make sure they're all there. Okay, everybody looks good. Windows Admin Center. Okay, close Certification Authority. We're going to go to DC01, Start, Group Policy Management. We're going to expand our forest, expand domains, expand CM Lab, and click our default domain policy. Do not show again. We'll right-click it, edit. We'll maximize the window. Okay. We're going to go to Policies, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, User Rights Assignment. We're going to click this title bar up here to sort it. And then we're going to click on Deny Logon through Remote Computer or Remote Desktop Services, excuse me. Define these policies, add a user or group, browse, and we're going to add all of our service accounts, okay? So those shouldn't be able to log on through remote, and they shouldn't be able to log on locally. So there we go. You can do that, check names. Okay, and there they are. Click OK. Did I log on locally? Same thing. Add a user group, browse, paste them there, check names. OK, OK, and OK. Now we're going to go to log on as a batch job. So right here, we're going to put our SSRS service to allow that to log on as a batch. Good, good. Okay, then we're going to go to user rights, security options here, user account control, and we're going to look for behavior of the elevation prompt for administrators in admin approval mode. Define this policy. We're going to elevate without prompting. There we go. We're going to go to our administrative templates, system, group policy. There we go. Click the title bar to sort. We're going to look for configure user group policy loopback processing mode enabled, and we're going to merge that. Click OK, then click on log on here, and we're going to always wait for the network at computer startup and log on. Click OK. Now for our network share, we're going to set this up so that we can have intranet. Okay, so and trusted zones. Right. So what we'll do is we're going to go to Windows Components down here. Go to Internet Explorer, Internet Control Panel, the Security page, and the first thing we're going to do, intranet sites include all local intranet sites not listed in other zones. Enable that. Include all network paths or UNCs. Okay. Include all sites that bypass the proxy server. Okay. And now we're going to go down to Site to Zone Assignment List. Enabled. Following along, we're right here. You're going to click on Show. And in value name, double click that. Put *.cm.lab. And then for value, put 1. Click OK. And that 1 is for the intranet zone. Okay. Then turn on automatic detection of intranet. Click OK. Now I'm going to go all the way back up, and we're going to go to Policies, Windows Settings, Security, and you're going to see Restricted Groups. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to add our domain admins and our CM servers to the local administrators group. Okay. So that allows our configuration management servers to be local admins. All right. So click on Browse, type administrators, check names, OK, OK, and then add browse CM servers, semicolon, domain admins, and click check names. It'll fill those in. OK, OK, and OK. All right. And now the best practice analyzer says computer auto enrollment group policy is not enabled, right? That's for our CA server. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to public key policies here, go to certificate services client auto enrollment, enable, renew our expired certificates, update pending certificates, remove revoked certificates, then update certificates that use certificate templates. Click OK. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. User auto enrollment group policy is not able, so we need to do that, right? So we go to Windows settings, security settings, public key policies, certificate services client auto enrollment, enabled, renew, and update. Click OK, close this window, close this one, and then for all the servers that we've done so far, which is these 4, we're going to open up Terminal from the taskbar. And we're going to do a group policy update force to make sure everything is good. So I always like to make sure that the domain controller is updated first, and then the other ones you can just update when you want. Okay, so update that one. There we go. And now I can update the rest of these. And as soon as that's done, exit. Exit, and one more. There we go. And that's video 9, and I'll see you in the next one.